What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes here, back for another quick video, man. Look, we out here in sunny Las Vegas, you dig? About to get this hair chopped off real quick. But in the meantime, just wanted to make a quick little video to tell you all about some of my favorite texting apps. I know a lot of people out here want to get to the bag right away, and texting is by far one of the cheapest, quickest ways to actually get yourself some potential leads so you can get out here and start getting some deals closed. All right, it's a little loud in the background, so forgive the ambulances. But yeah, little guys, real quick, the best texting app. So recently I did make a video about one texting app called Text Now. That's actually an absolutely free texting app that you can use to start reaching out to some sellers, send some individual text messages for absolutely free. You can kind of use Text Now as though it was like a cell phone company or whatever, so it's pretty convenient. Now, outside of Text Now, the next service, and I'm sure that some of you have definitely seen my video about the company REI Reply. That's one of my favorite companies on the market right now for texting. Now, I personally use REI Reply for automated texting campaigns. I can send out automated text and ringless voicemail drop campaigns. So I'm literally, I can set it and forget it pretty much, where it's like, hey, look, REI Reply, I got a list of 1,000 people. I want you to text message 100 people every single day at this time with this message. And then every day I'm just replying back to messages. So that's one of my favorite services out here. It's very automated. It's very I would say that it automates everything, right? So it just makes the process a lot simpler than what it could be if you had to work a lot harder. Let's put it like that. If you had to send out all of these individual messages, it just gets a little bit more complicated, to be honest with you all. Now, the last service, or another service that I have for you all, is going to be Smarter Contact. I actually just recently did an interview with the owner of Smarter Contact, Adam Nasir, right? And then with Smarter Contact, what I like about it is that the interface, the user interface, is just really clean compared to a lot of these other services, as well as don't get me wrong though, like that price point is pretty expensive. I'm not gonna lie, it's quite expensive out here with Smarter Contact or whatever. And with Smarter Contact, you're getting like 2,000 text, as well as like ringless voicemails or whatever. I can't remember how many ringless voicemails you get, but you get like 2,000 texts. So if money is not an issue and you just want the cleanest user interface, you may want to check out Smarter Contact. Now, at the same time, it's not automated though, right? Like REI Reply. So you have to sit there and click the space bar to actually send out those texts each time. So like click. You may have to sit there for like an hour and a half to send out all of your texts for the day. However, like, you should be getting some pretty decent response rates, but really, like, the industry standard is about like 20%, around about 15 to 25% when it comes to the text and message response rates. When you're texting motivated sellers, primarily, it's definitely different when it comes to cash buyers. A lot more cash buyers will respond. However, these are just a few different services that you all can use to get out here and start doing some texting. I personally prefer REI Reply. There's going to be a link below this video that you can use to grab yourself REI Reply. Like I said, the campaigns are completely automated. And if you use my link that's below this video, you'll actually be able to get REI Reply for just $49 a month. Lifetime though. So at some point they're going to increase the price of this service. I guarantee it. It's probably worth just as much as Smarter Contact, $200 per month plus something, but they're only charging $49 per month if you use my link below this video. All right, so make sure that y'all take advantage of that. Y'all know I got you, man. I'm plugged out here. Look, I actually had a conversation with the owner of REI Reply. I'm gonna ask him actually if I can share that video that I did with him. We did like a little Zoom chat or whatever, a couple of Zoom chats actually, when I first came across REI Reply. I'm gonna reach out to him and see if he would be okay with me sharing that video so y'all can kind of see David. And he's a black guy too, black guy. Like when I talked to him, he said they had like 650 members inside of the service. It only came out just last February. He said he had like 13 developers working on the program. So honestly, I really like it. They've updated the system somewhat recently where like it just makes the process of actually setting up a campaign on REI Reply much easier than what it was before. So I do highly recommend that y'all check out REI Reply. Like I said, I'm an affiliate with REI Reply. I'm also an affiliate with Smarter Contact. There will be a link below this video so you all can check that out as well. I'm still in the process. I haven't been able to get to it yet, but I do want to make a little review video on Smarter Contact as well, so y'all can kind of get a chance to check out the inside of that. I reached out to them recently. They're supposed to be setting me up with a little demo account. Once they hook me up with that little demo account, look, I got y'all on a nice little review video that's going to explain everything about that software, as always, though. But look, let me go ahead, hop up in here real quick, grab this little haircut, and then I'm gonna come back once I'm done with this haircut and give y'all kind of like the final recap. All right, guys, so we are back, man, to finish up this little video. See, I got the fresh cut on deck, you feel me? Had them cut off the sideburns, you feel me? Taper off the little side, y'all know what I'm saying? A little something, man. Anyway, though, guys, as far as these texting apps go, though, the first one was Text Now. The second one that I really recommend the most is REI Reply. And then lastly, I recommend the Smarter Contact, or just Smarter Contact in general. So, but yeah, check it out, guys. I'm going to have links for all of these texting apps in the description of this video, and it'll likely be in the pinned comment as well. What the hell? But yeah, anyway, my bad, y'all. These people over here driving crazy, man. It's Las Vegas, man. Anyway, but yeah, make sure that y'all check out the pinned comment down below. Check out the description of this video. There's going to be links to all of these different texting apps that I was talking about. And also, guys, if y'all want a little bit more of a thorough breakdown of everything that I know about wholesaling from point A to point Z, from talking to buyers and sellers to, you know, negotiating deals, putting things under contract, so on and so forth, make sure that y'all check out my Wholesaler University course. That's going to be linked down below as well. Anyway, though, man, I hope that y'all staying healthy, staying blessed out there, man. And until next time, guys, we are